Thank you for joining us on Valley News Live. Let's get right to the latest. A couple of factors with this storm system that all of us will deal with and some factors that only a few will deal with. Snowfall amounts are not ridiculous. This is not the type of storm that's going to dump way over a foot for many people. We're talking a lot of wind, though, and snow at the same time. So 0 to 6 inches as a rule across our area, with lower snow amounts in the far west and higher amounts as we go east. But all of us will experience these gusty and nasty winds. So even if you're getting light snow amounts, there's going to be snow lofted across the area in these north and northwest winds that will gust over 50 miles per hour and possibly over 60 miles per hour in places, making travel simply impossible at times. And as we head in and beyond the snow, as it exits, Arctic cold takes hold, and we're talking wind chill values between 30 and 50 below zero as we go into your Wednesday night and Thursday morning. Let's get right to the hour-by-hour forecast, the details you need to be aware of tonight. If you have errands to run, places to go, this is the best time to get out there and get your traveling done. The evening forecast does continue these winds from the south. And other than that, most of us stay dry. Along the international border, there's a warm front sagging along that area that's been there throughout the day, creating clouds and snow and such, and that's going to continue. Notice by 10 o'clock, most of us still don't have storm conditions yet, so we get through our Tuesday pretty much without issue. Now, as we go into the overnight, things get nasty. So any travel after 10 p.m. or after midnight in particular will be very tricky, if not impossible, because we will already have these north winds where you see the yellow arrows gust to 40, red and pink arrows gusts over 50 miles per hour possible, with snow that will be making its way into the valley for Grand Forks, Fargo, Hankinson, Fergus Falls by daybreak. So that morning commute, that morning hours, going to be the roughest weather, with bands of moderate and in places heavy snow, gusty winds to 55, 60 miles per hour, and the snow will be accumulating. Now, it doesn't stick over us for too long. As we go through the morning hours, it shifts into central and eastern Minnesota, and by the midday hour, our western counties will be clearing. But look at this, the wind stays, and the cold starts to make its way down. Snow should be ending by tomorrow afternoon for almost all areas, but there will still be blowing and drifting in areas as well. And then Arctic cold spills down, and those winds will remain into the overnight hours, causing wind chills down to 50 below. Here's another look at that snowfall map. If you're in the Devil's Lake Basin, lower snow amounts. Our western counties, lower snow amounts, but from Grand Forks, Fargo, Lisbon, Hankinson, and points east, we're going to see widespread and rapidly increasing amounts, 2 to 6 inches right through our neck of the woods, and then isolated 6+. The big winners could very well be Minneapolis toward Duluth, where they could see 8 inches to a foot of snow. Blizzard warning, Red River Valley. Winter weather advisory for less snow, but still difficult travel conditions in the Devil's Lake Basin. Winter storm warning out to the east, and I would venture to guess there will be pockets of blizzard conditions even in Lakes Country. So travel there will be tricky indeed. Radar shows things just getting started. Temperatures are unbelievable right now. 55 in Sisseton, 36 in Roseau. And here's a look at your current conditions at Hector. 39 degrees on the thermometer. Same thing we're reading out at Moorheads Airport with a southeast wind at 15 miles per hour. Your planner for tomorrow in Fargo, snowing, moderate to heavy at times first thing in the morning, blowing, falling temperatures throughout the day. In the afternoon, the snow exits, north winds 30 to 60 miles per hour, and then temperatures below zero by bedtime tomorrow night with wind chills 30 to 50 below. The coldest air will be entering from the north, but we will all be cold and windy tomorrow afternoon with the snow exiting. Planning forecast does, Stacy, look like we see some improvement through the holidays. We're going to remain on the chilly side of things with anywhere that has the fresh snow on the ground, but a little moderation in temps into the weekend ahead, and no more big weather makers in the 7-day planner.
All right, so get through the craziness tomorrow, and then maybe we can calm down a little bit.
Yeah, we'll be with you every step of the way. Download the VNL Weather app. It's free. Search VNL Weather in the App Store today.
Fantastic. Thanks so much.